Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got an exciting review for you that could potentially change the way you approach web hosting. We're diving deep into Hostinger, one of the leading web hosting providers in the industry. If you're looking for an affordable, reliable, and feature-packed hosting solution, you've come to the right place. In this 10-minute review, we'll cover everything from performance and pricing to customer support and features. So, let's not waste any more time and jump right into it. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty details, let's start with a quick overview of what Hostinger is all about. Hostinger was founded in 2004, and since then, it has grown to serve millions of customers worldwide. They're known for their affordable hosting plans, which make them a popular choice for individuals, small businesses, and even larger enterprises. But affordability isn't the only thing they offer. Let's break down their key features. Hostinger provides a wide range of features, including fast loading speed. Hostinger's servers are optimized for speed, ensuring that your website loads quickly and keeps visitors engaged. Uptime guarantee. They offer a 99.9% uptime guarantee, which is essential for keeping your website accessible to users. Easy-to-use control panel. Hostinger uses cPanel, a user-friendly control panel that simplifies website management. Free domain and SSL. Many of their hosting plans include a free domain and SSL certificate, enhancing your site's security and professionalism. WordPress optimization. If you're a WordPress user, Hostinger's WordPress hosting offers special optimizations for the platform. 24/7 customer support. They have a responsive support team available 24/7 to assist you with any issues. Now let's talk about the price. Hostinger is widely known for its budget-friendly hosting plans. They offer a variety of options, including shared hosting, cloud hosting, VPS hosting, and more. For those just starting out, Hostinger's shared hosting plans are a fantastic option. They start at low price and include a free domain and SSL certificate. Plus, they have a 30-day money-back guarantee so you can try them out risk-free. The speed and performance of your website are crucial. We conducted some speed tests on Hostinger's servers, and the results were impressive. With an average load time of just under 1 second, your site will be lightning fast. This is a significant advantage when it comes to user experience and SEO ranking. Hosting issues can arise at any time, and that's where customer support comes into play. Hostinger offers 24/7 support through live chat and tickets. We tested their support system and found their response time to be quick and the staff to be knowledgeable and helpful. Hostinger uses cPanel, a user-friendly control panel that simplifies website management. It's intuitive and packed with features that will help you manage your website efficiently, even if you're new to hosting. If you're a WordPress user, Hostinger has a specialized WordPress hosting plan with advanced optimizations, making your WordPress site run like a well-oiled machine. This is a big win for bloggers and website owners who rely on the platform. So, what's the verdict on Hostinger? In conclusion, Hostinger is a fantastic web hosting provider, especially if you're on a tight budget. Their affordable pricing, excellent performance, and top-notch customer support make them a reliable choice for both beginners and experienced website owners. If you're interested in giving Hostinger a try, we've included a link in the description below to get you started. Remember, they offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's no risk in trying them out. That wraps up our Hostinger review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more reviews and tutorials, and leave any questions or comments down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.